It has a 3-liter V6 with titanium connecting rods, 270 horsepower, an 8,000 RPM redline. The 1991 NSX changed the exotic car game. The NSX was designed to take on Ferrari and Corvette, and it did. The cab-forward design was taken from F-16 fighter jets for maximum visibility. Ayrton's SENNA spent days testing the NSX and is the reason the chassis was stiffened even more than it already was. It had the comfort of an Accord, but the feedback of an F1 car. It's slow by today's standards, but it's beautiful, balanced, and as reliable as a rock. Most importantly, it showed rivals that speed, comfort, and usability are not mutually exclusive.